So in this video you will learn how to make a girl become obsessed with you. Be her hero. Whenever she's in trouble or worried about something, don't just sit there with her. Acknowledge that you don't have all the answers, and that you may not know exactly what she's going through, but try to help make the situation better for her. Ask her how you can help, but don't insist that she let you. Be patient with anything she goes through and be supportive. When you can make a difference, do so without hesitation, but also cautiously, as you don't want to hurt her in any way. If she likes you already, go above and beyond the call of duty. Do something that she'd never expect you to do, like cooking her breakfast and then doing the dishes, and she'll fall even harder for you. You're showing her what you're made of. If she doesn't like you yet, or you don't know how she feels about it, play it cool. Be calm. If you're the kind of guy who gets sweaty and stutters his words when he's around a girl, then just calm down. Think of her as just your friend who happens to look different. If you can't calm down, no sweat. Girls think it is adorable when guys trip over themselves. You'll make her laugh in a good way. Next one. Don't fly too deep into the friend zone. Be friendly with her without always being available. Girls love guys who are a bit mysterious, so try to cultivate a bit of mystery. Don't always pick up the phone, let on where you're going, etc. Be honest, but not always totally upfront. Next one. Pay attention to how you look. Your guy friends probably didn't care that you walked around in the same clothes you mowed the lawn in, but the girl of your dreams probably won't be very impressed. Here are 3 simple things you can start doing right away that will help. Shower and shave every day. If you're not yet old enough to shave, don't sweat it. You should be soon. Smell nice and look clean by showering or bathing regularly. Wear clothes that actually fit. Not your older brother's clothes. Not your dad's clothes. Wear your own clothes, and ones that flatter your figure. It doesn't matter how much money you have, every guy needs a good pair of jeans, a fitting t-shirt, a simple but elegant colored shirt, and shoes to fit the occasion. Get in shape. Lose that excess flab if you can and turn it into muscle. Most girls like guys who have developed muscles that aren't so chiseled they're intimidating. Find an intramural sports league that you're interested in and go for it. You might even be able to impress your lady with your skills. Next one. Be charming. You must at least have some kind of charm to appeal to a woman. Most men are charming in a couple different ways, but here are some charming ideas to think about. Be a gentleman. This means opening doors, paying for a date, keeping your word, etc. Girls love to feel like a gentleman cares about them. Be witty. Girls love guys who are great conversationalists, who can turn anything into a joke. Learn how to elegantly make fun of yourself. Be intelligent. You should do your best to be well-read, informed about current affairs, and curious. Women like men who are smart but still relatable. Next one. Be reliable. Every girl wants a guy who, at the end of the day, is reliable, dependable, not because he has to be, but because he wants to be. Being reliable is all about telling a girl that she has security with you. Try to be the most reliable guy you know. Do what you say you're going to do. If you talk the talk, walk the walk. Girls don't like guys who say they're going to do something and never follow through with it. Be punctual. Even though some girls are late to dates, a girl hates it when she has to wait on a guy. To her, it says, I don't care enough about you to be on time. If you're going to be late, let her know. Have a good reputation. Be the guy that other guys want to vouch for. You never know whether she, or one of her friends, could ask around about you. And if she hears how you cheated on your ex-girlfriend, your reputation is shot and you'll have to rebuild it.